Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of the Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality Hukum Singh. He was born on 30th of August 1895 in West Punjab. He obtained his bachelor's degree and then obtained LLB degree from Punjab University Law College. He was actively involved in the freedom struggle and had involvements in anti-Simon Commission demonstration as well as against the Gurudwara reforms movement, which intention was to free Gurudwaras from British interference. He was elected to Constituent Assembly from East Punjab province on Akali Dal ticket. He was a writer and launched an English weekly journal, The Spokesman, in 1951. He spoke on various issues in Constituent Assembly. He was of opinion that defending the rights and safeguards of Sikh community was important. He also spoke on the debate involving the reservation for minorities. He also spoke in respect of the second chamber in the parliament. We will just see what he spoke. 30th of July 1949. Now with this clause, we are, I must say, opening out large discretion for the parliament or for the party in power to use this procedure capriciously and at any time that it likes. Why should this be left the whims and caprice of the party that whenever it sees that the legislative assembly is suitable to it, it might eliminate or abolish the second chamber, and whenever it seems that it is not desired or when it seems that the legislative assembly is not prepared to cooperate with it, then it might create a second chamber so easily as to sought to be done now by a bare majority. So this one is some views regarding the second chamber. We are thankful for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.